Another useful tool within GEMS is the spell corrections tool. This is basically useful in the situations where you receive, say, a comma-separated value or a spreadsheet of some type where each column has data where people were manually entering things, and sometimes they were consistent, sometimes they weren't so consistent. It's a kind of tool that actually picks up a lot of those mistakes and allows you to unify them to one set of terms. So let's go ahead and click on our Genomes to Fields hybrid file. We're going to go choose our spell correction tool. You'll receive some instructions which you can read or ignore, but the basic gist of it is this. Each column will have a separate opportunity for you to find different spelling corrections within them. It shows the name of the column, and it gives you kind of a rolling observatory of all the different items that happen to be in that column. Let's just check out this comments column. That's a common place where people use redundant terms and don't use consistent terminology. If I look through these things, we have it set. It is deliberately generous in pointing out items. Not all of them are going to need to be corrected. Here's one right here, one row, all caps, versus lowercase one row plot, which clearly should be connected. There's 4 in this file of the one row plot and 2 of the other terminology. We'll select that. Here's a gap and gaps, clearly something we could make more consistent. And a lot of things that probably shouldn't be changed. If you like, you can hit select all, and that would check all the boxes. I recommend you don't, merely because, as I said, we've made this tool quite lax in what it picks up. And at this point, you only select the ones you want. We had those 2 selected above, and we will save the changes. What that does is save only the changes for the comments column. I could go next and do each of these other columns in turn, but in order to actually save it in my workspace, I have to hit this last button and give it a different name as I want it, then hit OK.